Ladies and gentlemen, Namaste and a heartfelt greeting on this auspicious occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji but to reflect upon and embody the profound teachings that continue to illuminate our lives. Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, was a beacon of light and wisdom. His teachings transcend time, inspiring millions to lead lives filled with love, compassion, and equality. As we come together to honor his legacy, let us delve into the essence of Guru Nanak's teachings and consider how they remain as relevant today as they were centuries ago. Guru Nanak's message was simple yet profound, the oneness of humanity. He envisioned a world where people of all backgrounds and beliefs could live together in harmony. His teachings emphasized the importance of selfless service, equality, and the pursuit of truth. In a world often clouded by divisions, Guru Nanak's words guide us towards a path of unity, respect, and understanding. One of the cornerstones of Guru Nanak's philosophy is the concept of Ik Onkar, the belief in the one supreme, formless God. This fundamental idea serves as a reminder that, despite our diverse paths and practices, we are all connected to the same divine source. Guru Nanak urged us to recognize the divine spark within each individual, transcending the barriers of caste, creed, and gender. The principles of equality and social justice were central to Guru Nanak's teachings. He advocated for the upliftment of the marginalized and the elimination of discrimination. As we commemorate Guru Nanak Jayanti, let us renew our commitment to creating a society where every person is treated with dignity and respect. Guru Nanak's life was a testament to the power of compassion and selfless service. He traveled far and wide, engaging in dialogue with people from diverse backgrounds. His teachings encourage us to embrace a spirit of seva, serving humanity without any expectation of reward. By embodying this principle, we can contribute to the betterment of our communities and the world at large. In conclusion, let Guru Nanak's light guide us on the path of righteousness, compassion, and unity. As we celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti, may we reflect on his timeless teachings and strive to live by the values of love, equality, and selfless service. Let us work together to build a world that honors the spirit of Guru Nanak, where the light of truth dispels the darkness of ignorance. Thank you, and may this Guru Nanak Jayanti bring peace and joy to all.